Hey guys, so I wanted to do this video because I've gotten some questions regarding the toofuses and ionomethuses. So anyway, I used the glass ionomer, and I have a tooth that had been chipped, and it decayed because I had been using the thermal beads. So anyways, I'm going to use both. So I've already got the glass ionomer on there, and it needs to be a little Dremeled down, but I need to get a new Dremel. So what I'm going to do, since it's kind of halfway, it's built the tooth back up, I guess I should say, and I'm going to use the thermal beads, which I've had sitting in some hot water, so it's kind of gummy. I'm going to use that, you little suckers. I'm going to use that to put over the top of that damn toofuses, and I'm going to smooth it out, and I'm going to make it look so good. And I was going to show you how you can do that, because you can kind of just not mix them together, mix the products, but you know, use this on top of your bonded if you're not satisfied with your bond. Okay, so. And you can just fill a gap in or whatever. You know, change the shape of your teeth. Okay. So I typically will use a, this is on the fly. I know I'm not sitting down. I don't have that little ring light up in my face. So, you know, it's not all professional, but you know what? You get what you get. And you don't throw a fit. So I'm going to use a razor. Kids, don't use razors. Anyways, I hope these kids wouldn't be doing this shit to their teeth anyways. These kids are crazy anyways these days, you know what I'm saying? So I have a couple minutes before this will dry. And, hey, does this, oh, kind of has a funky smell like pot. I don't smoke pot. Anyway, if you go like that, I normally have some dental things that I would use, like some dental tools that I can use. But right now, I'm just showing you that I can use whatever. I can even use my fingernail if I want to. If I want to be, you know, that smells like weed. Okay, so hold on. I'm just gonna show you just real quick how easy it is to make your tooth twerk. Okay. See, it already filled it in. And now I can use an ice cube or cold water, swish it in my mouth, and it'll harden that right up. So now you ain't got a half tooth, but now you got a whole. So, oh my God, I hope my family doesn't watch this. Or anybody I know for that matter. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm just showing you how easy it is if you're on the fly and you have somewhere to go and you need to fix your shit. Grab your little beads. It's a 2-minute fix. So I will tell you, in my experience, that there have been times where I will drink coffee or I'll eat like a sauce, and it will turn that mother sucker colors. And one time I ate a popsicle, and it turned it into a fluorescent highlighter looking like shit. So you have to watch it. So what I've also done, no, I don't want to tell you that. I better not tell you that. It's too embarrassing. But it is something that worked. Okay, I'll tell you. I don't want to tell you. So one time I put super glue over the top of it. That's awful. I know, but it was just over the top of the little thermal bead. It's just a little drop, and it didn't change colors. So, but I don't recommend you doing that. Just go get your tooth fixed at the dentist. I am too scared to go because that dentist screwed me up so bad, and he caused so much pain and agony. He ruined my total experiences and my faith in dentists. So anyway, I am just going to have to do this for now. If my family or friends see this, don't look at me with your crazy ass judgmental eyeballs. Because I'm sick and tired of, you know, like I wonder if they watched that little video about me, you know, with that little red thing. That's embarrassing, huh? So anyway, but how are you supposed to review stuff like that? You know, it's like, family, get up out my shit. Friends, get about my stuff. Because then you look at me with your eyeballs, you know. I don't want some judgy eyes wondering if you know what I know. Did you see what I saw? Did you see what I did? I don't want to know. I don't want to know that you know. Well, I want to know that you don't know. But anyways, back to this tooth story. As I've been talking, it has hardened. And it has, look at that. That's the other thing that dentist did. I need to beat his ass. So, there you go. And that was just a quick fix. And actually, when it hardens, it's super white. And, oh, yeah. So, listen. If you drink something real hot and it gets on that tooth, your tooth may melt. That's another thing that nobody tells you because they don't want to tell you. They don't want to tell you. I don't want to tell you. I just told you, though. Hopefully it was just you that I told, though. So anyways, until then, happy fixing your stuff, DIY. We got to do what we got to do, right? All right, if you have any questions, hit me up. Quick fix on the fly. Half tooth to a whole tooth. Love you, bitches.